Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best 3D printers. You're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 3D printers, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Creality Ender 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is known for its high-quality prints, and the company does a great job of leading owners through the assembly process. It's fully open source, and there are lots of options for upgrading individual parts later, which makes it a great base for learning about 3D printing. It's also surprisingly affordable and a great 3D printer. It isn't the easiest 3D printer to use, but if you're building a printer yourself, that's likely okay with you. 60 watts ceramic heater, bimetal heartbreak, and copper nozzle enable 300C printing. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3K enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PEEK, ABS, TPU, and ASA filaments. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The stiff steel linear rail on the x-axis has a carriage slide containing ball bearings, which can move smoothly, accurately, and steadily. Number 2. Anycubic Photon 3D Printer. If you're looking for the best overall bang for your buck in the resin 3D printer space, the Anycubic Photon Mono X is your ticket. Anycubic is an extremely well-known manufacturer in the space, and there are plenty of online tutorials on how to use its devices on enthusiast forums like Reddit. The Mono X's feature set is a cut above the usual suspects in the 3D printer game. At 7.5 inches by 4.7 inches by 9.8 inches, the Mono X's build area is more than big enough for any miniature you're likely to want to build, except maybe Cthulhu. It also offers fast speeds, 4K resolution, and better Z-axis support than similar models. The upgraded Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source and high-precision textured optical lens provide a stable and even parallel light source, effectively removing optical layers and grid lines to create a smooth and delicate model surface. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3D Printer. As far as affordable 3D printers go, we love the Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. It's cheap but includes higher-end features like auto-leveling. Linear propulsion and input shaping functions give you smoother, sharper prints. It's perfect for beginners but is a great match for more experienced makers. It's the best value if you want the most bang for your buck. More than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. The maximum print speed is 250 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 150 mm per second, ensures a perfect blend of precision and performance, empowering you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled speed and accuracy. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60 watts hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. Number 4. Dremel Digilab 3D Printer. Dremel's 3D45 printer is at the top of the heap for home 3D printers. It's right on the line between a home 3D printer and a professional printer, but what allows it to claim this title as the best home 3D printer is its impressive software and ease of use. It relies on a version of the open-source Cura software, with a nice big touchscreen, which makes it surprisingly simple for beginners, given the extremely high print quality. It's also one of the best enclosed 3D printers you can buy. Features include an automated 9-point leveling sensor that detects any variation in the print bed and automatically accounts for it for more successful printing, a built-in HD camera for remote print monitoring from any computer or mobile device, a complete 3D printer enclosure made of ultra-durable plastic with a 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches build volume, and more. Number 5. Flashforge 3D Printer. The Flashforge Finder 3 is a well-priced, diminutive 3D printer that doesn't skimp on its features. Its leveling system guides you through the oft-annoying process of ensuring the built platform is aligned properly. Plus, the build plate slides right out, which makes removing your printed object much easier. It also boasts a touchscreen for easy operation, and the build platform is designed to be cold, for safety reasons. It's a great 3D printer for all kinds of activities, like prototyping accessories for cosplay. With no assembly required, it's easy to use in a second after being unpacked, smaller equipment size and large volume for higher volume utilization. The glass platform provides strong adhesion, so the printing model will not easily become warped. A magnetic steel plate platform, gold pay plate, anti-warping edge, and magnetic sticker own a strong magnetic force to make sure it is durable. Both plates can be easily removed and replaced to meet diversified printing needs. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.